de poesías, de cuentos, mi amor, yeah. El amor es tan corto, olvidarte, no, no, yeah. Los dos amamos de más, enamorado de tu mirar y tú de otra. Porque eres así, ya sé, bebé, no sientes lo mismo, lo que yo sentí para ti. Yo fui solo una noche más.
I have to use lip gloss because I forgot my Bliss-Tax at home. I'm realizing now I forgot a lot of things at home because I was rushing to go to New York. And I decided to leave a half hour earlier than what I originally planned. And I forgot like my chapstick, tissue, hand cream. Just forgot a lot of things. So this is the only way I can hydrate my lips. My lips get very dry after washing my face. Good morning, everyone. I hope you're doing all right. It is day 4. It's November 3rd of my 10-day stay here in Guatemala. So I am at El Retiro in Lanquin, Guatemala, and today we're doing the tour up to Semuc Champey, and included in the tour is like a 4x4 up there lunch, exploring the Cambu caves, you know, going on like the swimming pools of Semuc Champey and all of that good stuff today. If you didn't watch the previous video, go watch that about my sleeping situation and just ride here. That was a bit crazy, but we made it here today. I have one more night here, so we're gonna get back hopefully around like 4 o'clock in the evening, and then tomorrow we're going to Flores because I want to do Tikal. So I will put a picture of the text messages that Sophie, I believe that's her name, from Go Travel sent me, because after I got my ticket through Go, they never really sent a specific detailed itinerary or any just follow-up information. I was looking for that email, but it never came. So here's just the text message that she sent me regarding this trip and transportation, how it's supposed to work. Thankfully she did, because otherwise I would have been lost, you know, like, sorry, my knees and my feet were killing me. It is about 6:30 now, so the person at the front desk told us we were being picked up at 8:20, so to be here a little before then. The text message said 9 o'clock, but I'm gonna go with the front desk person and just be there for 8 o'clock just in case, because I don't trust these people anymore. So yeah, I don't really trust anything that they say anymore. So basically what I am doing now is I'm getting ready, so you can basically get wet on this tour, obviously, and you can go, you know, walk through the caves and things like that, and into the swimming pools, like Semuc Champey. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my bikini on underneath my clothes, and then have the spare change of clothes like on me, and when we're ready to actually like go through the water or just in the swimming pools, I can like take off my stuff and just go, basically. And that is the game plan for today. Yeah, so I'm just gonna finish getting ready. I'm not really hungry at the moment, but I mean, I believe the restaurant opens up at 8 o'clock anyways, and I want to be at the front desk by 8 o'clock, so I don't think I'll have enough time to get breakfast anyways. That's alright, I will figure something out for breakfast and coffee later on, but let's finish getting ready. Okay, so I just wanted to show you my bikini. So it's like a little hip length bikini top with a strappy bikini top. And that's what it looks like. I thought I didn't have any more, but I have one pair of shorts. That's what I'm going to do, is I'm going to put these pairs of shorts on with this top to cover up, and then when I'm done I'll just dry off my top and just rewear the shirt, but wear these baggy pants because they're a bit easier to get into after you're wet than just, you know, putting stretchy pants on again. And what I'm going to do right now, because I am going to be wearing shorts, is just put this on. If you remember my little packing video, I did buy these individually wrapped bug defense kind of repellent things. So what you basically do is you just take these, and it's just like a towelette. You unwrap it just like that, and then you just wipe it all over yourself, so that way you don't get bit. There's no DEET in this, it's all natural, so that is awesome. Alrighty, there you go. I have more in my purse, which I will be taking with me as well, so that way, you know, I'm always prepared, but I'm not going to use up too much because I still need the rest for Tikal and when I go hiking in Venango Trail. And yeah, that's about it. So let me put my clothes on. Alrighty, that's the look. Make sure if you are coming here or to Tikal that you have a lot of bug spray or bug repellent wipes of some description, because there's a lot of freaking mosquitoes here. Lots of them.
It's from the pool, you know? Like Semuc Champey means where the river hides beneath the earth. You know? After lunch, you're going to do the hike to the viewpoint. You can see the platform, 30 minutes up, 30 minutes down, direction to the pool, you know? Or wanna jump? Okay.
I think so. Okay, should I look straight or look down? Okay. One. Ah!
1, 2, 3. Woo!
Nice.
Yeah!
Woo!
It's my heart. You're so cute.
The hike to the viewpoint. Dale, brother. Okay? Remember, we have enough time. Enough. You know why? Because the hike to the viewpoint, it's a little bit hard. You know why? Solo arriba, 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 up and upstairs. Okay? And in case want to walk, dale, hermano.
Oh, yeah. Does it float or should I catch it? Cute.
Yeah! Like that, like that.
But I want to go this way.
Tikis banyak, mas, tikis banyak. Okay. Wait. No, 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 no.
Next down.
Yeah, but which way?
Don't lean back. Don't lean back. Don't lean back.
No. Go like this. Come
Sit,
up, come up.
sitting.
Come up. Okay, listen. Listen.
Yeah.
Hands here. Exactly. Feet together. When you go down, don't put your back down. All the time you can sit up. Okay?
Okay, so sit
Are you
back.
ready?
Yeah.
Up, Reño!
Woo!
Ready?
Bomba.
No fucking way.
Woo!
It is really raining now. Hey!
In Semuc Champey, raining in the pool.
is now about 7 o'clock. Made it back to our is it a hostel or is it a hotel? Around 5-ish, 5:30-ish. We had a free beer afterwards. We completed everything, and I didn't take my GoPro with me this trip because I figured just for one day, compared to the amount of other activities that I wanted to do that involved a lot of like sightseeing and hiking and whatnot, I just didn't want to bring extra things with me that would weigh me down, so I decided not to bring my GoPro. But I met a lovely woman, Jonna. Pretty sure that's her name, Jonna. Not Joanna, like me, Jonna. And she's going to airdrop the photos and videos that we took today, so I will upload those so you can see them. I did get a few on my phone, but I just kept my phone away. But yeah, it was very good. It wasn't what I was expecting. I didn't do any research beforehand about Semuc Champey, so definitely a surprise to me. Would I do it again? No. Only because I'm not like a water sport or adrenaline rush type of person. Honestly, I'm more into like sightseeing, the cultural aspect, learning things, going to museums, you know, or like hiking, you know, going to pretty places that have like beautiful scenery. I'm not really into, you know, like jumping from rocks and things like that, you know, but it was fun. It was an experience. I'm glad I got to do it. And I got out of my comfort zone. So they tell you it's better to have water shoes when you're doing that type of activity at Semuc Champey, and it's true. Or just have some type of really good shoe that's waterproof and that can handle like slippery rocks and stuff, because it is very slippery, and it rained and it was very muddy on the trail too, so yeah. But I mean, you can rent shoes from the locals. It was $35, you know, get style, but I mean, it was so like worn and bald, like there was no traction to them at all. So in hindsight, was it worth it? Not really, but you know, whatever I can do to support the locals, I guess. So anywho, we got back to the hostel. We had a free beer, ate some nachos. I talked with the other 2 girls that were on my tour. There's only 2 of us, so altogether 3, including me. So yeah, we just sat, ate, drank our beers. There's a Mexican buffet that's happening at 7:30, so I will go to that. I signed up for that because it's food and I'm hungry. I just took a shower. I had to, because after that water, my hair was just destroyed. So I did that. My towel is on still because my hair in the back is still dripping. So yeah, I'm just waiting until 7:30 so I can go to the buffet.
Te poesías, tus cuentos, mi amor, yeah. El amor es tan corto, olvidarte, no, no, yeah. Nos amamos de más, enamorado de tu mirar y tú de otra, porque eres así, y así.